Hi, I'm Kristen Amdahl and welcome back to my studio. As you can see, the straps are perfectly fine for leaving this a sleeveless project, but if you want to add sleeves, it's super simple. We're going to join our yarn to our crochet hook with any type of knot and join with the slip stitch at any of the end of rows at the underarm with a slip stitch and chain 5. Chain 5 counts as a double crochet, chain 2, and evenly spaced around, you want to work a double crochet in an end of row, and a chain 2. And the pattern will tell you how many repeats you need, so you want to pace yourself through one side of the body, up through the shoulder seam, and then do an equal number of repeats down the other side. And again, the pattern will tell you how many times to do it for each size, but the repeat is chain 2 and double crochet along the end of rows. And you want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, we're going to join the round with a slip stitch to the third chain of the chain 5 at the beginning of the round to join. That counts as the top of the double crochet portion of that chain 5, the top third chain. And that completes round 1. Round 2 is chain 3 that counts as a double crochet, and we'll work 2 more double crochets in that same stitch. Our repeat for this round is 3 double crochets in each double crochet around. At the end of the round, you want to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. Round 3 begins with a chain 3 and a double crochet 2 together over the next 2 stitches. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on our hook. The chain 3 and the double crochet 2 together counts as our first double crochet 3 together for this round, and our repeat is chain 2 and work double crochet 3 together over the next 3 double crochets. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. Chain 2. Actually, our repeat for this round is double crochet 3 together and chain 2. And you want to repeat that all the way around, then slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet 2 together stitch at the beginning of the round to join. Round 4 begins with a chain 5, which counts as a double crochet chain 2, and work a double crochet in the next double crochet 3 together stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in the next double crochet 3 together stitch, and our repeat for this round is chain 2, double crochet. You want to repeat that all the way around, then chain 2 and slip stitch to the third chain of the chain 5 at the beginning of the round to join. Round 5 starts with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. Our repeat for this round is double crochet in the next double crochet and 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. You want to repeat this all the way around and then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. You want to repeat rounds 1 through 5 of the sleeve for your desired length of sleeve. You may recognize that this is the multiple of 3 pattern from the back, the first smallest multiple, and we have converted it into rounds instead of rows, which means it is just a multiple of 3, not 3 plus 3. Also, you could easily modify this to create increases for a bell sleeve if you wanted to go on in the established pattern of increasing this to a multiple of 4 and a multiple of 5 like we did for the back and front, or you could work this even for the desired length of sleeve and simply work these rounds 1 through 5 for your desired length, whether you do it for a couple of inches for a short sleeve, longer for an elbow sleeve, 3/4 sleeve, or a full length sleeve. And at that point, you could decide if you wanted a more elaborate edging on your sleeve or not. I chose to end my sleeves on a double crochet round and then add a simple round of slip stitch after that, because I felt it was a nice contrast to keep the sleeve cuff simple compared to the really elaborate edging that we did on the lower hem of the pattern. So we're almost to the end of this round, which is a double crochet round, which is what you should end this sleeve on. So we'll slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. And then our final round for the sleeve is to simply slip stitch in each stitch around, like that, and fasten off at the end of the round. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. And if you check out the video description, I've provided links for everything we talked about in this video. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.